I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WPFunnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WPFunnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on three dots in the top right corner. Then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Actions Salesflare. Give here the API key, so go to the Salesflare site. Click on the plus button and give a meaningful name. Create. Copy the API key and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action. You can use it by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to your Salesflare site. And you can see that the data came successfully in Salesflare. Thanks for watching.